A sheer curtain comes to life, dancing, pirouetting. Through the open door, constant winds come from the sea. I can taste the saltiness in the wind. It calls me. It calls to the sea inside of me. I answer, following the wind to where it takes me. Sandals released from my feet, warm sand caressing my toes. I'm drawn to the water's edge. I listen and watch the wind play with the waves. Seagulls, waves, and the sea inside of me. And the sea inside of me. Good morning, this is Sandra Hart again. So glad that you could join me today. We've had a lot of wind lately around here, coming off the ocean. And if you have curly hair like me, you know that if there is wind and any kind of moisture in the air, if you want to have straight hair, it's going to be a bad hair day for sure. So today I have found a couple of products that I want to talk about that really help my hair, helps me take care of my hair. Now, when I was younger, I had really thick curly hair that had more of a coarse feeling to it. But then when I went through menopause and as I got older, my hair is not as thick and it's very fine, and I never used to have fine hair. It's difficult for me to be able to find products that make me feel like my hair used to feel years ago, and maybe that will never happen. But I'm going to talk about a couple of products today that maybe you know all about. But especially I have found a shampoo and a conditioner that are both sulfate free, and they're by L'Oreal, and I really love them. I try not to wash my hair every day, and it's very hard because when you have curly hair and you go to bed, it kind of flattens out. Well, I did get a silk pillowcase, and I have a silk nightcap that I wear just like an old lady. But it does help my hair keep its shape. So if you want to keep your hair in shape, I suggest that you not only buy a silk nightcap, but you also have a silk pillowcase, because both of those things I've talked about before, and they really do help. This is called Eversleek. Eversleek is a sulfate-free product. This is the shampoo. It's by L'Oreal, and you can wash your hair, and it feels so wonderful after you wash your hair, and it doesn't dry it out. It doesn't put all the chemicals in your body that you're trying to not. And this is the conditioner, the L'Oreal Eversleek conditioner. I have been using these products now for maybe about 3 weeks, and I absolutely love these products. I was using L'Occitane products all the time, so now I maybe will use my L'Occitane shampoo maybe every third shampoo. But these are my go-to now. I really like these, and these will condition your hair. You're not getting sulfates, and it's not as hard on your hair when you wear these products. Now, if you have curly hair like me, you know it takes a village to be able to control this kinky mass on top of my head. It's not quite as curly as it used to be, but it's still there. I know that this is not news to anybody, but I live and die by Frizzies. I have Kerastase, I've tried all kinds of products, but for the price point and the job that it does, I think Frizz Ease is really one of the best brands out there. I just recently bought this. This is the original 6 Effects Serum that when you wash your hair, you just put a few pumps in your hand and then you comb it through your hair and then dry your hair. But this really does help control the frizz a lot. And not to be undone by this, I also have the Frizz Ease when I want to wear my hair curly and I don't want to wear it straight. This product, the Frizzy Original, helps me to blow it dry and helps it keep straight longer in this Floridian humidity. And when I want curls, this is a great product also. It is called Dream Curls. It's a daily styling spray. And because I don't wash my, ooh, look, there's the hair. If I don't wash my hair every day, which I try not to, when I wake up in the morning, I can kind of spritz this on my dry hair and it gives it life again. It just kind of pumps it up and gives it more life. So if you have curly hair, this is a great product to do if you don't like to wash your hair every single day. I like that product very, very much. And also, this is Secret Weapon by Frizzies, and it's a touch-up cream. I use this to put just a little drop in my hands in the mornings, and I can just do this, and then I run it through my hair. And this also helps revive your curls and keeps your hair in place. But honestly, I'm going to tell you the truth. Nothing is 100%. I mean, at least no product I've ever found is 100% to keep the frizz away. If you have found something, please let me know, because I do love Frizzease. It works for a long time, but eventually, if there's enough humidity in the air, the frizz does come back. Now, because I do not wash my hair every day, I read an article one time about how washing your hair every day is not good. And I know Brooke Shields has very, very long hair, and I read an interview that she did. And she said that she uses dry shampoo in between her washings, but she has really long, I think her hair is straight, maybe it has a little wave in it. She has very long hair. But I have found that between shampoos, if I really want my hair to look nice and if it's looking kind of flat, I use a dry shampoo. Now this just happens to be Salon Graphics. There are many, many good brands out there on the market, so I really don't think one is too much better than the other, but I do happen to like this. And I just take my hair and I touch up the roots, section by section, and just slightly spritz the roots. And it gives your hair a lift. It makes it seem like you've just washed it. And it's a good go-to if all of a sudden you get called to go out to lunch, or if you're going somewhere and you're on the third day of not washing your hair. This is really a great lifesaver. I love the dry shampoo. It's really, really good. So it takes a village. It takes dry shampoo. It takes a lot of Frizz Ease products for me to keep my either curls away or to keep them pumped up. Another thing that I do use, because my hair is naturally platinum, it sometimes, I don't know whether it oxidizes, but it turns a little yellow sometimes toward the end. So I use about once a week or once every 2 weeks, I use the Jerimack. This has been around forever, ever since I was young. This takes the yellow out of my hair if it's starting to get just a little bit yellow. It's called Silver Brightness. I think it used to be called Silver Lights, or maybe one of the other companies have something called Silver Lights. But the price point is really good, and it works. I'm shadowing myself. It really works. So I do use this, and I let it stay in for a few minutes while I, scrub my body in the shower. But I really like this also, and it does keep my hair from looking a little yellow. So anyway, that is the village of products that I use to try to keep my hair in Florida with the humidity either curly without a bunch of frizz, or when I blow it dry, these products really help it to stay straight at least as long as possible. Things happen when we get older, don't we? The texture of our hair sometimes changes. The thickness, I used to never know what it felt like to feel a brush against my scalp. That's how thick my hair was. And I never thought that I would have less hair than that. It just never dawned on me. But your body changes sometimes, and as we get older, and it just might be genetics also. But I still have a lot of hair, but I don't have the volume of hair that I used to years ago. So I try to take care of it as long as I can. Thank you for coming by. You know I love each and every one of you. If you're not a subscriber and you like my videos and you like what you see, please subscribe. And if you want to be notified, just click on the little bell below. Don't ever forget how awesome you are. Don't ever forget to do something good for yourself today. Be kind to everyone. Do something nice for someone today other than yourself. And don't forget, you've got a lot of love in your heart. So share some with somebody today. Hope to see you soon, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care and have a wonderful, wonderful day. And thank you so much for stopping by and spending a few minutes with me. Have a good one.